y'all, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. If you are new and watching for the first time, welcome to my channel. My name is Alisha and I am a stay-at-home, work-from-home mom of 5. And my fiance and I, Jordan, our oldest son will be 28. And then my oldest daughter will be 26. And then our second daughter is 23. The youngest daughter just turned 21. And then we have our 11-year-old son. He will be 11 on the 19th of this month. We are caretakers to our moms. Both of us are. And you guys know right now, well, those of you all who do not know, but my mom, Mama Margaret, she's dealing with a lot with her health right now. And she will be having surgery in a couple of days. And it's going to be a long journey, a very, very long journey. But we know God have it. We are a praying family, a family of faith. And you will hear me also speaking of, like I said, my middle daughter, Talia, and she has a fiance. His name is Greg. And we both got engaged a week apart. I got engaged on February 12th, and then hers was the very next Saturday. So both of us are newly engaged. So you have a lot to look forward to. And as I told you guys, me and Jordan are both caretakers of our moms, so you guys will see that in videos. We also have 2 other channels. Our second one is Mississippi Shopping on a Budget, and the third one is our cooking channel. Both of those links are in the description box below. And so, yeah, if you are new, like I said, just go and subscribe. If you do not mind, always make sure you guys give our videos a thumbs up. And comment, share our videos. We would definitely love to have you and interact with you all. And yeah, it's just a lot, and you guys will see that. But today I'm just doing some spring cleaning. This is part 1 because I did my bathroom. And I did not start off today trying to spring clean. It was just going to be my basic cleaning that I do often. But you know how sometimes you just have a lot on your mind, and you know we turn our music on and one thing leads to the next, and that was kind of how these videos came apart today, you know. So I'm just going to let y'all listen to some music and just enjoy the video.
You always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. Just can't stop thinking about you. Just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe you're brave, boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just, yeah, you always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out. I sip on it. Take a trip on it. When a girl who can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time. Let me know I want. When you turn me around, when the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Figure it's in the season. Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're icing every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're icing every time. We know like me. We know shine bright like royalty. We know stay keep a dignity and wine. So kind of in a kiss story. You been waiting on me to solve it for me. And last weekend, you had me thinking, almost kidding, I let my head up, like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Figure it's in the season. Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're icing every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're icing every time. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're icing every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're icing every time. Sounding like you're icing every time. Bum, 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 bum. Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego. Your ego. Your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego. Your ego. Your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, it wrong, but you don't wanna be alone. Spend the evening by yourself, but you'll miss me when it's getting late. Got it all, babe, save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me, I'm yours if you'll let me. Got it all, babe, save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me, I'm yours. If you let go, boy, loving is a safe card. You don't have to play hard. Love and let go, boy, you don't have to play smart. We can take it slow, you know it. Every time is a blessing, and I know we can take it to the next level. If you let go, boy, you don't have to play smart. We can take it slow, you know it. Go ahead and tell your friends, talk it out, but it won't end. You are never true to heart. You need me when it's getting dark. Got it all, babe, save arms